It's me, Mel, and thank you very much for being here. And please join me in unboxing my Spring 2020 Causebox. And this is my last Causebox for now. I know. And I know it's late because I didn't get it right away. And because I'm trying to not get any more, not get boxes right away in the mail, okay, because of what's going on right now. And that's also my reason why I'm canceling my boxes, because I don't want to receive packages in the mail for now, trying to stay safe. I have 2 kids and my husband, so protecting my family. So yeah, and I forgot how much this is, but I will put later in the description or in the screen how much I paid for this box. And this is a quarterly subscription, and this is a very pretty box. Okay. Oh, so very big. When you open it, that's what's inside. So let's try to put this here on the side. It's a very pretty box. Okay, I really like this box. This is my second box actually. And here is the magazine or the booklet that tells you what's in the box. It says Causebox Good News Spring 2020. There's lemons in there. Oh yeah, okay. And there's a nice postcard here. It says sharing is caring. There you go. And I'm gonna show you again. There's a very beautiful flower, like a leaf sticker in it. Okay. The first one here is, this is from Fostery. Okay, Fostery. And this is a necklace, I think. Yep. So let's check. I think that's not what I wanted to get. I'm not sure. Let's check where this is. So grow where you are planted. There. And okay, what's in the box? Oh, okay. So it's either this necklace, which is a $36 value and made in Colombia, made by artisans in Medellin, Colombia. So oh, okay. So it's either the necklace or the Dime Beauty Super Eye Duo, which is I got in my Try Beauty box. Let me show you. Okay, so if I didn't get this, I would have, if I didn't get this, I would have gotten this one. But this one I got from my Try Beauty box subscription. So I'm very happy that I got the necklace instead. Okay. And let's open this. Ooh. So this is a gold-plated one. I like it because it's a bar design. Okay, I'll just check that later. Okay, so that is a $36 value. Let's check if they have here how much is the box. I think the box is 55 or 56. I'm not sure now. Oh, what is this? Oh, there's another postcard. Very beautiful. There. Huh. Wow. Tatiana Boyko for Causebox, printed in Los Angeles, California. Beautiful. I'm happy with that postcard. Okay. Now, the first one that I'm gonna be showing you is, this is from Artisan Direct, and this is a sustainable grocery starter kit. This is a set of 5 mesh and muslin bags for sustainable grocery shopping. And this one is made by a team of artisans in Jaipur, India, ready to replace single-use plastic produce and grain bags. And this is $22. This is really perfect because there's a store here in our place that that's like every Tuesday it's a no plastic day. So this is perfect. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this, and there's 3 of this, and there's 2 of this kind. So 3 mesh bag and 2 muslin bags. Am I saying it right? Yep. And this one is $22. Wow. But this is very durable bag, so, and reusable, and you're helping the environment for using this kind of bag. Okay, now let's put that there. That's 22. And then the next one here is, ooh, so how many is in here? There's like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items here, or 7. Yeah, there's 7 items here. Now this is a bag. This is from Ipsy, and this is a Zoe crossbody, and this is a $75 value. Wow, $75 value bag. Wow, this is a pretty good size. Ooh, wow. Wow, I like it. It says Pixie Mood. Wow, I have a new bag. There. And here is the strap. There's a zipper. And what is this? Oh yeah, that's it. And there's another zipper in here. Oh wow. There's another zipper there. That's the inside. Ooh, I really like it. The thing where you put the strap. And here's the back. Ha ha! I'm really happy with this one. And the next one here, this is from Cardia Offset. There. I don't know if you can see that. And this is, what is this? A Calm Mood Mist. $30. What is this? A mood mist that does it all. All natural and aromatherapeutic. Cardia Offset's signature product can be used as an aid for focus, a support for sleep, a body spray, and everything in between. Made in Canada. So $30. Oh, okay. So that's how it looks like. And the next one here is, this is from Earth Harbor. And what is this? A reparative eye cream. And this one retails for $34. A smoothing and firming all-natural iridescent eye cream. A combination of seaweed collagen, blue tansy, and plant oils help replenish and restore the skin around the eyes. This is 5 ounce and handmade by mermaids. What? Non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan, no synthetics, no gluten, no GMOs, no soy, woman-owned, fair trade, small batch, handmade by mermaids. That's funny. So where is this made? Made in USA. I think the last time I got an Earth Harbor serum. Okay. Ooh, so that's how it looks like. I don't know if you can see that, but that's how it is. Ooh, oh no. Ooh, I don't know. Kind of scary. I don't know. I'll think about it if I'm gonna use this, because it might be good though. It's just that it's, I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay, I'll check that out. I'll check that one later. Okay, we have here our sixth item, and what is this? Oh, no. I wanted to get the planner. Okay, so I got this instead. This is a Jenny Earl Wild and Free bandana. And this is ethically made in Jaipur, India. $32? No way. I'm not paying $32. This is very thin. A very thin material. But since I got a bandana, this is good for going out right now. Because sometimes you need to wrap your head or hair when you go out there to be safe, right? So it says Wild and Free. And that's, I'll show you how thin this is. Can you see how thin? It's really thin. I'm not gonna be paying $32 for this, but it's pretty though. I might. Hello. Okay, enough for that. Okay, and I'm excited for this one. This is the last but not the least. This is the Bento stackable bento box, and this is $29. It's a to-go container with 2 compartments and built-in cutlery. Sustainably replaces single-use plastic alternatives and donates to feed the children. There you go. And there's a strap here. How do you... Oh, you just slide the strap. And there it is. Here's your utensils on the top. You have a knife, a spoon, and a fork. And this is how it looks like inside. And there it is. And this one is $29. I don't know if I'm gonna pay $29 for this. But since it's in my box, I'm gonna be using it. So everything in the box is worth $258, which for sure is too much, I think. I don't know. I think most of the products here are like, you know, the price is like they made it higher. But still, I paid maybe $50 for this box. I'm not sure. And I'm still happy. Just with the bag, I'm happy. This, I'm happy. And what else? What are the products that I'm happy? The bag. I'm gonna read. So I'm happy with the bag. I'm happy with the bento box. It's just at $29. To be honest. This $29, no. Not paying $29 for that. But again, it's in my box, so I'm happy with that. I'm happy with this. So there's 3 now that I'm happy. I'm not. The eye cream is a no-no. The mist is a 50-50. This I'm happy. The necklace, I'm happy. And the bandana I'm gonna be using definitely. So at least there's 5 out of 7 items, right? That for sure I'm gonna be using. I hope I'm gonna be able to get the summer box, but I doubt it though. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and hit the notification bell as well so you will know if I have a new video up. Thank you very much for watching again, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.